Okay, first what we're going to do is review these vocabulary words because they're going to be in our chapter that we're reading. Okay, so what is this first word? Consequence. Nice job. We've already put that one in our word study journal, so we know what that means. When something happens when you don't follow a rule or a law. How about the next one?
Fair.
Fair. Awesome. And the last?
Government.
Government. Uh-oh, I can't. My face is in the way. Uh-oh, my face is going to be in the way again. Okay, here we go. All right, this word.
Law.
Law. This one. Follow.
Responsibility.
Nice.
Rule.
Yes.
Save. Help.
Awesome. Last one.
Vote.
Awesome. Okay, now we are ready. We are going to begin our story, and we're just doing chapter 1.
Chapter 1
Yes.
out of 3,688.
I don't think there are that many, but okay.
Oh, trust me.
So, rules, laws, and the first week of school. So you'll notice right here we have this picture, which we know means rules. In this picture we've already seen in our other leveled reader, which means what? What does this picture mean? Laws. Nice job. And you'll notice, what are all these people wearing?
Masks.
All right. Masks. Chapter 1, rules on the bus. Not to be confused with the wheels on the bus. Yes, that's what I was thinking too. Okay, rules on the bus. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Paige is excited for her first day at her new school. She waits for the bus and thinks about the new people she will meet. The bus pulls up. She sees a stop sign come out of the side of the bus. She also sees flashing lights. She wonders why the bus has a stop sign and flashing lights. So what does Paige see when she's on the bus or going to the bus?
Red lights and
Flashing lights and a stop sign. Nice. Paige gets on the bus. Paige sits down. The bus driver points to a sign above her head. These are the bus rules, says the bus driver. You must follow these rules while riding the bus. Tell me a rule that you have on your bus. Yeah. Wear your mask on the bus. Yep.
no drinking.
Yep. No drinking or eating on the bus. What else?
And no putting your body parts out the window.
Okay, so keep your body inside the bus.
Last day of school, you can.
Oh, when you say goodbye to the teachers? Yes. Okay, stay seated, right? Keep your hands and things to yourself. Paige reads.
Your hands and feet to yourself.
Yep. Paige reads the bus rules. The first rule is to stay in your seat. The next rule is to not walk down the aisle when the bus is moving. One bus rule says to use quiet voices when at a railroad track. Paige wonders why staying quiet at a railroad crossing is a rule. Why might you think that's a rule?
Because if there's a train coming, they won't be able to hear it.
Okay. Oh, so the bus driver is listening for the train. Okay. Paige sees another girl on the bus. She says, "Hi, I'm Paige. Do you know why we have to be quiet at a railroad track? I'm Tiffany. We have to be quiet so the bus driver can hear if there's a train coming." Nice job.
Oh, yeah, I was awesome.
It is a rule to keep us safe, Tiffany says. There is no train. They're just at a railroad crossing. See right here?
R.
Railroad, and then this X, crossing.
Cross me.
Paige tells Tiffany she has never been on a school bus before. She was surprised to see the stop sign and flashing lights as she was getting on the bus. Oh, all of the school buses have those. When drivers see a bus with the stop sign and flashing lights, they must stop. It's a law, Tiffany says.
What?
So why does a bus have a stop sign and flashing lights?
Wait, so in front, so when people are driving this way, they have to stop.
They have to stop. Yep.
Yeah, when they're crossing over a railroad track, they have to stop before they cross over.
Yep. So this is the side of the bus that you get on, right? You get in here in the door. On the other side is where the stop arm comes out. Right? So there's a stop sign and it's on the bus, and then when the bus driver stops, then it swings out like this so that other cars can see it.
I know that because I had to help my mom with the lights.
Yep. So, but this car right here needs to stop because the stop arm should be out, but not all cars stop. That's why you have to be very careful.
Even humans have to stop.
Yep. So everyone needs to stop so that everybody is safe getting in and out of the bus.
Even if you're walking, you have to stop.
Everybody should just breathe.
Paige thanks Tiffany for helping her. She is excited for her new school.
Rose.
She is excited to meet new people. She knows that it is her responsibility to learn the rules at school and follow them. She wonders what other new rules and laws she will have to learn. All right, so what does it mean when it's your responsibility? Okay, showing flyer pride, right? So it's her responsibility to learn the rules. That means she has to do that, right?
Yep.
It's not maybe not be something that somebody else is directly teaching her, but she needs to know that.
Why are they the only two
All
in
right.
the back?
I don't know.
That's just weird.
I think it's just because of the story, right? Maybe those are just the only two that have been on the bus so far yet. Okay, so that completes chapter 1. Let's see if it goes right on to chapter 2. Okay, so we're stopping at chapter 1. I'm going to pause this here. Okay, so that completes chapter 1. I thought there was an activity that goes with it, but we will finish that up on Monday when we read chapter 2.
You mean Thursday?
No, today's Friday, so Monday.